Hi guys, I'm Sourish Tech Savvy, and today we're gonna see the HTML code. So I said that I'll show you how I gotta show you the HTML code. I said yes last video. And yeah, guys, I'm saying you, and also in the card you should see the last video that I made, and in the last you should see the playlist. In the last you should see guys. And the young guys, today we are gonna show you the whole HTML code. So let's start. So the first thing we are gonna see is the HTML code. This is the code you need to type and save the file as .html extension. So let's see how to do that. So we are gonna see that how to do that first. Let's see something here. So you need to understand this, guys. Let's go here and see. So the tag HTML code that you saw is made out of tags of HTML. Yeah, the code is made for tags called HTML tags. Really, it is also called as the HTML tag starts and ends like this. So the tag name is in two greater than and lesser than signs. Text you want to put, like we will show you one code, and the end tag comes with greater and lesser than, and this line one, which I don't know what is it. The starting tag looks like this. So we get the greater than and lesser than sign, and the name of the tag will be inside. And the ending tag looks like this. The greater than and the lesser than sign, and I don't know what is that, guys. For me it's like a division signs. If you don't know division sign, guys, division also is like that also. You can do like that also, division. Okay, so however you can't miss the end tag or it will not work. So if you put only the start tag and stopped it and do other work, so it's gonna not work only. Yeah, it will work, but other tags could not work. Some of them are really delicate tags which doesn't really understand also if that is open. But please put the tag there. And yeah, the end tag and start tag looks like the same, but the end tag has this. So I don't know what is this. Let's see the next one so we can see the HTML code that we need to write. Step 1. Open your code editor. I will use brackets in the tutorials, but for now open notepad. So I will, in the tutorials I'll open brackets, guys. If you now already saw, I'll show you guys. This is the brackets one. I opened from brackets. You can see it's that big. Yeah, I also want to say, guys, that my best viewer, Bitik Mondal, he's my first ever viewer, guys, and he said that he can't see the HTML clearly in the last video, so I deleted them and make a remade. No, not for that. I was thinking that they are not nice, so let's make a remake of them, and I'm remaking everything. Let's go again back to here. So step 1, open your code editor. I will use brackets in the tutorials, but for now let's open a notepad. Step 2, type this in notepad. So this is the thing that you need to type in notepad. And yeah, here the doctype HTML, the first one there, doctype HTML doesn't has an end tag. HTML language English, that's an attribute. Language English is attribute. The meta tag we don't need. You can remove the meta tag, guys. The meta tag char set UTF-8, nothing is that's not needed. The head tag is there, so we can do the title tag. If you put the title tag, it should show the document as that there, but we will not have the favicon. And the body tag, which we did not write anything, so there could not be anything. Step 3, save the file name index.html. If you want another name, just remove index. Place the name that you want. Just remove index and then place the name that you want. So just remove that index. Put that HTML with you, but just remove an index, and it should work. It should work. So let's see next. And the final step. So I said you to save it. You need to say you want and save the file. So this is the saving file. And final step, now open the file. It should open the browser, guys. I'll show you. It should open the browser. If it did not, double check you have put in the h.html extension and removed the txt extension. You should see nothing because we have only made the file into HTML. And you should see the title as document. So as you can see, this is the title and it is called as document. Let's see the tags. So now we can see the tags. Now let's see the tags to make text more to come in. So p tag, here you're gonna write it in a small letters. P here, paragraph, and we have 6 heading tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So the heading tag has a lot of variants, and the title tag, which we have already shown, the title should be as a document. And HTML tag, which we have already shown that up, and I said you, and doc type HTML, that's just saying that the document is for HTML. Let's see the next one. Let's modify our page with these the tags. First, let's add the heading tag. So you saw there a lot of heading tags because the tag has a lot of variants. I have said you already that like small to big. So the smallest tag is H6 and the biggest tag is H1. So let's use the popular tag of heading variants, H1. So H1 is really popular because it is the biggest tag and big is only the key. So everyone uses H1 only. Let's use it, and after it is done, save the file. Yeah, save the file if you after you write the thing. Now go to the browser and refresh. So you can see it's really not nice, I think. I don't know. So that's why I made another PowerPoint to show you correctly, guys. This is the heading, and that's the document. I was just put in something, and that's the slides that we are in. I can also show you now. Also, we have this thing open. We have also written this is a paragraph here. So let's go in again back to the thing and present it. Let's wait till that thing goes down there. If it did not work, check if you saved the file. Yeah, please guys check the file if you have saved it or not, or it will not work. Now let's add a paragraph tag. After adding the paragraph tag, you need the ending tag, the starting tag and ending tag in H1 also. Here we have put in the starting tag and the ending tag. So really, if you want also, you can put a P there in capital or in non-capital. If you want also in that tag, if you want that P here, this P here, if you want it in a capital, you can do that. Or if you don't want it, then you can just leave. Do the same which we did with the heading tag. Yeah, we did with the heading tag, saved it and gone and refreshed it. That's all you should do, and you should see this. This is the paragraph. In the next episodes, we will start. Yeah, we will start in the next episodes, and you will see everything that we will do. Goodbye, guys. This is all it for the video. It's just the introduction for us today, but I think I said a lot of them that thing. Yeah, but this is introduction. So next we will see what can we do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching Sourish Tech Savvy. Subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family.